What's up guys, this is Jasper from Filmmaker Lights. Today we're gonna show you how you light this. In this setting we have a practical light in the background. But as you can see, the light only is not enough. We want to add some more light to the subject. The 180C is an RGB light, which makes it very easy to match the color of the practical light. Or, if you want a complementary color, you can easily scroll through the color spectrum like this. In this way, you can always match every light you like. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. For more info, check out the description down below. See you next time.